It's Karen Denton. Off the plane, straight to the store. Well, to the office. I went to the office, had to do some emails. And straight to the storage unit because we have a construction project tomorrow. So I haven't even been home yet. So I figured I'd do a video, let y'all watch me prepare for my construction project. Not packing the van, I'm just pulling everything up front. I don't have the van, and then I'll get it to be ready tomorrow. Scrapers just in case. Some razors. I had the plastic razors and the regular razors. And these are take them. Then I also take a rubber one along with the metal ones. It's a Barnes and Noble, and that's gonna be quite big. What else? Detergent. This is what I use. Love this. Stuff on the van. I forgot I got stuff on the van. I think I got brooms and stuff on the van. Got a caddy on the van. So I need the van so I can see what I got. Some mopeds. We have to wax the vinyl floors. We're not going to do the wax tomorrow, so I'm not taking that. I need some bags for the backpack. Oh, and I need towels. Like a caddy of different kind of vacuum bags, backpack bags, and all that stuff. Yes, it's like all kind of different bags. And then these containers here are towels. Oh yeah, I seen somebody was asking a question about what could they do instead of so much mopping. Let me show you this machine. This is called a Kovac machine. Let me, Army Flex Kovac. And this here, I have a battery one that's on one side, and then this one here is electric. You have to plug it in. But it's a flat mop system. Like the water comes out, like here's the handle for the water, and the water comes out down here, and the flat mop be here, and then there's a suction part that go on there too, that it dries the floor as you wet it. However, you can wet it in different volumes of water. So this is what I use, an alternative to mopping with all the new flooring that's out. And for a cement floor, it's really easy because cement, you don't need to mop a cement floor. You just need to flat mop it with a Kovac machine. And I think these, you can get one under $500. And it just depends. It might be cheaper if you don't get battery. And if you get battery, yeah, so this is a good alternative for mopping. And it's it'll cut down your service time. Yep. So I'm glad I came here. That's a good tip for the day. All right, y'all. I got a lot of different stuff in here. I like when I go to the daggone supply store and equipment, it's like a toy store for me. Anything that can make us more efficient in my budget, I'll get it. And let me, okay, I think we gotta be in, on this project, we gotta wear safety gear, so I gotta take hats and vests. I keep mine in my car, so when I go on walkthroughs, and a construction walkthrough, I already will have it with me, so I need it. And I got vests in my car. I still got some more in here. I'll just supply them their hats. What else do I need? I believe that's it for now. I'll know tomorrow. This is just day one. We'll have to go back on Monday. It's a pretty big store. Alright, y'all, so the stuff I want to take on the contract tomorrow. Look, man, it is still clean. Well, I just pulled that machine out, but it's still clean. Well, of course it is, because I ain't gonna let it get messed up again. But, yep. A lot of years worth of stuff, y'all. A lot of years worth of stuff, and this ain't even half of the stuff I done lost. You be on no construction projects and people be stealing your stuff. So I've lost a lot of stuff throughout the years. Alright, so I did everything I needed to do today. I just need to submit one more proposal, but I'm waiting on my certificate of insurance so I can submit it. And it needs to go in by the end of the day. And it's construction, and it was easy. It's been done. And I can't wait to teach y'all what I've learned at that dear convention, the conference. In my master class, I'm going to teach you guys something that's going to change the game for you. Absolutely. I tested it today on that project I'm trying to submit. Yes. I'm telling you guys, this is going to be amazing. So you guys got to sign up for my master class. It's on September the 7th, on my birthday. I'm going to give you guys the game for my birthday. I'm going to gift you. So, I'll see you guys on the next video. And hope to see you in the master class on September the 7th. The link will be in the description. I need you guys to subscribe so I can go live. I need y'all to watch my videos and subscribe so I can go live. You guys can ask me questions. Alright, y'all. I'll see you on the next video.